My name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make taro root tea. Taro root is typically used to make what is known as bubble tea. It's a kind of like a potato, but much sweeter, and it's grown in Asia. And today we're going to learn how to make it in just a regular tea form. Just go to your local Asian import store or maybe your health food store to look for taro root tea, and then we can get started. First, what you're going to want to do is take your tea kettle and fill it up with some cold water. Then place the tea kettle on your stove and turn the heat on high. Give some time for the water to heat up and come to a complete boil so that the taro root is able to get extracted appropriately. We're then going to take our tea bag out of its wrapper and we're going to place it directly into our serving cup. Now today we're using an 8-ounce serving cup, but you could use one tea bag for up to 12 ounces of hot water. Once it's in there, we're then going to take our boiling water and we're going to pour it over top of the tea bag. Now it's important that you do submerge the tea bag fully so that this initial heat is able to extract the contents that's in the tea bag appropriately. You're going to want to leave some room at the top here, about an inch or an inch and a half of room, just because we are using boiling water, and you're going to want to leave some room in case you do want to add some cream or sugar later on. And then we're just going to let the tea bag sit in the hot water for a few minutes. After you've given the taro root tea some time to steep or to sit in the hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes, you're then going to take your tea bag, bob it up and down a few more times, and then you're going to squeeze out excess liquid and remove it from your tea. Now, taro root tea, like I said, is typically made into bubble tea. So if you have some tapioca pearls, that's great. If not, you can drink it just like this. It is a little sweet to begin with, so you may or may not want to add some sugar, but I definitely recommend adding some cream. It adds a great texture to the beverage. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we talked about how to make taro root tea.